Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Tuesday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day and a terrific week this far. So we are at Walmart. We're back in action at Walmart. It has been almost 2 months since I've done a Walmart haul. I know that I did not come back to Walmart after I did a little hiatus. And then last month, both of my accounts had that big jack-o'-lantern bonus, and I wasn't really striving to do those nor finish them because I thought the amount of rebates was kind of insane. But I am seeing a lot of people did end up completing those, so kudos to you because that was insane and you're the MVP for that, really. I just didn't want to have to try to tackle that every single week. It just seemed a little insane. So we're back. It is a new month and the jack-o'-lantern bonus is over. So Ibotta is back giving us midweek and hopefully weekend bonuses. So I have two bonuses. I have $1 for 5 offers and then $3 for 8 offers. I believe the $1 for 5 is on my account and the 3 for 8 is on my husband's. So I think we're just gonna work with my husband's account today. I really don't want to work with both because it's my first time back at Walmart in a couple of weeks. So not trying to go crazy. Trying to see if I can still be in the swing of things here. Also, Ibotta, they are doing their annual free Thanksgiving dinner. So when you sign up with Ibotta, you will get all of the sides for free, and if you are a new user, you will get a turkey for free up to $15. Now, it does have exclusions about certain brands you can purchase to get that $15. You can't just get any turkey you'd like. You have to, go under the rebate and search which brands are eligible, and of course, scan in the app to make sure that you will get that rebate. But I don't have the turkey because I haven't referred anybody yet. So if you would like to use my referral code for Ibotta, it is down in the description box. You get a free turkey, I get a free turkey. It sounds like the Oprah show over here, but I mean, turkey, come on. So I definitely think we're gonna go ahead and get the sides today and do our free Thanksgiving. And a couple of other rebates. We have a lot of freebies because I haven't really used Ibotta and I haven't gone to Walmart, so I have a lot of freebies still sitting on my account. So it's going to be a fantastic haul. I think we might go a little big, but we're also using all the other rebate apps that I will mention throughout the video, and those referral links will be down in the description box for you guys. If you want to sign up with my link, I truly always appreciate it. So the printable list will also be there as well, and we're going to go ahead and get into the store. But if you are new, welcome. I am super excited you found my channel. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, as well as give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it. So we're going to go ahead, get in here, and see what kind of deals we can grab at Walmart this week. My first deal is on this Rockstar energy drink. It is on rollback at my store for $1.35. We're going to go ahead and pay that out of pocket and submit over to Ibotta for $1.50 back, making this a 15-cent moneymaker. I'm also going to go ahead and grab this Mountain Dew Rise at $1.98. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $1.98 back, making this free as well. So this Purdue Harvestland ground chicken is $3.47. I have 2 Ibotta offers attaching for $1.25 back times 2. If the double dip isn't your thing, just feel free to pass on this deal, or you can just opt out of clipping both offers. I'm going to go ahead and claim my $1.25 times 2. So I'll pay the $3.47 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for those 2 offers, making my final cost for this just 97 cents. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these Greek God yogurts at $4.34 each. The honey vanilla is my personal favorite to add granola into. So there's no coupons, so 2 of them totals us $8.68 out of pocket. We'll submit to Swagbucks for $5 back, and on Ibotta we'll get $1 back for each one, making our final cost for both just $1.68. I'm going to go ahead and start grabbing some of my Thanksgiving freebies courtesy of Ibotta. So this 2-liter of Coke is actually $1.90 in my store. I'll pay $1.90 and submit back to Ibotta for $1.98, making this an 8-cent moneymaker. I mentioned in yesterday's CVS haul that I am noticing a diaper shortage in my area, so we are going to stock up and grab some Loves today at $5.47. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, and then I have a 10-cent any diaper rebate, which will make my final cost for this pack just $3.37. These Baby Dove hand and face wipes are $1.50. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Shopkicks for 400 purchase kicks, which is equivalent to $1.60, making this pack right here a 10-cent moneymaker. They seem very handy to have in the car for my guy. Another Thanksgiving freebie is the Jiffy corn muffin mix. In my store, they're priced at 47 cents. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for 67 cents back, making it a 50-cent moneymaker. I'm noticing Ibotta is kind of giving high value rebates for items that are kind of low priced in my store for the Thanksgiving freebies, so that's kind of clutch. I'm also going to go ahead and grab one of these French fried onions, the Great Value brand. It's another Thanksgiving freebie. They are $1.90. I'll pay that out of pocket and get back $2.28 from Ibotta, making this a 38-cent moneymaker. So I looked all over the soup aisle for the 98-cent cans of Campbell's, but Campbell's is not 98 cents in my store. So we'll grab a cream of mushroom for $1.48. Pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 98 cents back, another Thanksgiving freebie, making the final cost 50 cents. It's alright because we have a couple money makers to pay for that can of soup. These Idahoan mashed potatoes are $1.88. These are the family size that we have to get. I'll pay $1.88 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1.88 back, making this another Thanksgiving freebie. I thought the baby would hold this for me, but he's very interested in the display of cans next to him. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this Siete taco seasoning. It is $2.48 in my store. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back. I'll also submit to Aisle, the texting rebate service, for $1 back. And then, since this is my second time buying a Siete product with Ibotta, I will hit my 75-cent Siete bonus, making this pack of seasoning completely free. I'm also going to grab some Great Value brand stuffing. I'm going to grab the turkey one at 82 cents. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 82 cents back, making it another Thanksgiving freebie. I'll also grab one of these Bird's Eye steamed fresh frozen vegetables at $1. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $1 back, making it once again another Thanksgiving freebie. I'm going to go ahead and grab one of these milk bone supplements for dogs. They are $3.46. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit over to Shopkicks. Now, originally I had thought that I was getting about 1,500 kicks back from Shopkicks, so around $6.08 I should have got back. But I had not checked the Shopkick app while I was in the store, which is always a very good tip to always check the rebate apps to make sure your rebates are still there or still the price cash back that you expect, because the $6 rebate had knocked itself down to 500 kicks, which is equivalent to $2. So had I got the 608 pack, it would have been about a $2.62 moneymaker, but since the rebate lowered itself to $2, it was $1.46 for this. I'll still take it anyways. I went ahead and moseyed over to the clearance aisle. I found this Oral-B Pulsar toothbrush on clearance for $1.89. We do have $2 insert coupons from the November P&G, so I'll use that, and this will give me 11 cents in overage at checkout. Overall, my clearance aisle looked really nice. There was a bunch of nice stuff over here, but nothing that really caught my eye with coupon or rebate matchups. The Halloween is now 50% off. There was some decent stuff over here, but I'll probably try to hold off and wait till it hits 75% off before I consider purchasing any of it for next year. But I think we are done shopping today. This is what our cart looks like. I think it's a pretty good looking cart. So we're going to go ahead and do self-checkout. That is my preferred way to check out at Walmart. There was also a couple of deals I could not do today just because of low inventory. So definitely check out that printable list to see additional deals. We're going to go ahead and head home and see how everything turned out. All right, so this is our Walmart Ibotta haul. Super happy with this haul. Obviously, that free Thanksgiving is terrific. And there is a couple things I'm missing, like the free gravy mix and the free cranberry sauce. My store did not have those items in stock, but if your store does, definitely go ahead and claim those. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you sign up on my referral link, we can get a free turkey together. You get one, I get one. It's a beautiful thing. So maybe I'll go get the free turkey later on. If that pops up on my Ibotta. Everything else I'm just really happy with. I wasn't trying to do too much today, but I definitely love that we got a lot of good food. And then that one clearance find, the Oral-B toothbrush, that gave me 11 cents in overage with that $2 coupon. It scanned perfectly fine, no issues. Nothing else we used a coupon on. It's totally newbie friendly as long as you download the Rebate apps. So that is just awesome. Another thing I noticed when I was submitting my receipts to the Rebate apps in the car, this is your reminder to always check the Rebate apps in the store, which I was checking them except for Shopkick, and Shopkick had lowered the value of kickback on that milk bone. So it was still a pretty decent deal. I mean, it's something new to try. My dog is getting a little older in age anyways, so that could benefit him, but it was just not as great of a deal and a nice big money maker like I thought it would be. Had it been the money maker, it probably would have gotten this haul down a little lower in cost, but I am not going to worry about it because we got free Thanksgiving, ground chicken, diapers. I'm happy. It's a food-based, it's essential-based haul, I should say. All essentials that we will use, nothing willy-nilly silly. So we're going to go over the receipt. Like I said, everything at self-checkout went super smooth. We have the bird's eye green beans, the instant potatoes. We have the French fried onions, the Jiffy corn mix, the spicy taco seasoning, the Siete, that toothbrush with the $2 coupon. We have the Mountain Dew rice. We have the Rockstar, the cream of mushroom, the Coke, the Loves, the Milk-Bone treats, the Dove baby wipes, the Greek yogurt, and that Purdue chicken, leaving my subtotal at $38.03 for 17 items. Now, as far as cash back, I went ahead and submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards. We got back 50 points, so that is the equivalent of 5 cents, but that's still something. I went ahead and submitted over to Swagbucks, and I actually got back $5.04. So $5 for the Greek Gods yogurt, 2 cents for uploading any receipt, and 2 cents for the Coke. So, you know, that's pretty cool. And then on Shopkicks, I went ahead and submitted my receipt. In total, I was claiming 900 kicks. It would have been more if I knew that Milk-Bone rebate had lowered itself, but 900 kicks in total for that and the Baby Dove, which is equivalent to $3.60. I am bad about scanning products in store to get the scan kicks. With a baby, I'm just trying to get in and out of there. So I've been opting out of doing the scan kicks lately, but definitely go ahead and do that if you have the time and you want those extra kicks. It's a little bit of change, but it goes a long way. Totally recommend doing the scan kicks. Sometimes I'll do it if like he's in a good mood, but you know, you only get an ample amount of time before he goes nuts. So $3.60. On Ibotta, we got back $20.44 in just rebates alone for the deals seen here. I did hit my 75-cent bonus for the Siete taco seasoning. I also hit my $3 midweek harvest bonus, which was $3 for 8 offers. We were way over 8 offers. And then I went ahead and submitted over to Aisle, the texting rebate service, for $1 back on the Siete as well. So for 17 items, this would have cost us $39.92, counting back in that we used that $2 coupon for the Oral-B, so it would have been $39.92 without coupons. After all the rebates that I went over, that makes our final cost here for all 17 items $4.15, or about 24 cents each, which I think is really good considering we got some meat, diapers, expensive yogurt, and you know, the whole thing, the whole shebang, really. I sit here and try to list all my favorite items, but I think everything here is my favorite item. That Greek Gods yogurt, it is so good. I would not pay for that normally, but it is just so dang good with some chocolate granola in it. That's what I've been doing with the vanilla flavor. It's divine. So that was my main focus today, was lots of food and household items, things that we could actually use, and I think we hit it on the nail. So that is it for me today. Those rebate apps I did use will be down in the description box if you want to go ahead and sign up with those. With Aisle, you can skip the wait list if you join my referral link, and then with Ibotta and Shopkicks and Swagbucks, you will get a little bit of a kickback just for using my link. So definitely consider that. If you want to go ahead and sign up before you do your haul, you'll get additional cash back just for using those links. So you may come out with a little money maker. So that is it. Also the printable list down in the description box as always. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.